BPCL took a call to enter the upstream business after the dismantling of the administered pricing mechanism in 2002-2003. This was driven by the need for part supply security to our refineries, hedging of price risks, to be a vertically integrated oil company, and to add to the bottom line of the parent company. Bharat Petro Resources Limited was incorporated in October 2006 as a 100% subsidiary of BPCL. With an initial risk capital of 1,000 to 1,500 crores, BPRL ventured into E&P to establish an upstream business. We made some early bets and took measured and calculated risks and built a balanced portfolio through a judicious mix of exploration assets. As Einstein had said, I am not intelligent but passionately curious about things. Driven by a similar curiosity, we stepped out of the PSU comfort zone, built relations with international operators, went global, spread and limited risks, and made mid-course corrections as required. When we started, there was no in-house capabilities, knowledge or skills, but we had the inclination and aptitude to learn the new business. Dexterously combining passion and curiosity, we moved with determination and intensity on the learning curve. Learned new things, applied our learning effectively, enhanced manpower and hardware skills, built various business competencies, and the results are there to speak for themselves. I'm saying all this because each of the steps had a purpose and intention which eventually paid off. It is a matter of pride that with world-class oil and gas discoveries in Brazil and Mozambique, BPRL has come of age and has earned a permanent place for itself in the world oil and gas map. Our passion for excellence and skill upgradation has enabled us to boldly take some challenges of operatorship. Today, with the petroleum mining license for Madanam materializing shortly, we are poised to reach the elusive target of revenue generation, and with the successful testing of our Cambay operatorship well, we are well positioned to see our first oil as operator. Further, on the M&A front, with the Russian acquisition, we are on the verge of leaping into the respectable league of oil producers. On hindsight, if I were to think, did we do anything great in one stroke? No, we didn't. But we constantly and persistently did something differently and innovatively. Top of mind recall include acquiring a block for $1 in Brazil, cost recovery of carry money in Mozambique, an innovative funding arrangement which enabled us to get substantial amount of loan without recourse to parent company, even with the blocks in the exploration stage. Today, BPRL is a success story, well recognized by the industry, capital markets, analysts, bankers, investors, and the academic circles. The recognitions have been by way of reflection in BPCL's market cap, gaining Thomson Reuters awards, BPCL's case study selected as one of the top 15 case studies by Ivy League, and getting published by Harvard Business publication. All these would not have been possible without the active and uncompromising support from BPCL board and the founder directors of BPRL, especially Mr. Ashok Sinha, who believed and invested in the new initiative and passionately drove with the unflinching support of Mr. R.K. Singh, Mr. S.K. Joshi, Mr. B.K. Menon, who was the first MD of BPRL, and Mr. Varadarajan, ably supported by Director Finance, Mr. Balasubramanian. While the pull came from the top, there was enough push from the committed and energized BPRL team. Looking forward, BPRL is in the high growth trajectory, pursuing its own objectives, and momentum will have to be sustained and improved for accelerated growth. My expectations? BPRL to become a truly global company, not only in operations but in culture and mindset as well. We should become a self-sustaining model with its own cadre of employees. BPRL should be known as a preferred operator and also as a company leveraging talent and technology in the highly skilled industry. The team is energized, and I'm sure BPRL will achieve much more in the near future. I wish the team all the very best in the coming days.